My mom always taught me that if I didn't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. So I don't really have anything to say about this cabinet except it can't get much worse, so let's get flipping. I ended up scrubbing this one down twice because I just felt like it needed it. And once I was confident that it was good and clean, I sanded it down. First by machine, then by hand. Alright, it looks better already with just primer on it, so I have high hopes for how it'll finish out. I'm going to bring out my paint sprayer today because I have people coming and I have to get this project at least part way done before they get here. So I'm going to at least spray my first coat on and then we'll see what we do with the second coat. The sprayer will make it a lot easier to get into all these nooks and crannies, but I'm also kind of considering doing a separate color inside, so I think that could be kind of cool. But for now, I'm just going to spray it and then I'll decide all that when I see it done. I wanted to show you a little bit in real time. So this first door that I'm spraying is regular speed with my sprayer. But since you don't have all day to hang out with me, I sped the rest up by 3 times. You're welcome. Okay, so here's what I've decided. I'm going to go ahead and paint the insides of this part of the cupboard a light beige. And I've sprayed the bottom shelf because there's really no stop and start place inside and I'd have to bring it all the way out and I just didn't want to do that and I didn't want to try to make my own line. So I'm just going to be doing the back wall and these 2 shelves in a light beige. So that's what I've decided to do. I decided I wanted to lightly highlight these raised edges. So I used a teeny tiny brush and the same cream from the cabinet's interior to carefully paint a little on, then wipe it back to lighten and soften the highlight. It gave me just a little bit of a soft glow. Okay, so the hinges for this cabinet were coated with that icky paint, so I boiled up some water and added some unmeasured amount of baking soda. And let it softly boil. Nothing crazy, for probably like 10 minutes or so. I didn't actually keep track of the time, but by the end, the paint just brushed right off. If you decide to do this, please use a thrift store pot or one that you can designate to your future projects, and don't use it to cook food in afterwards. Now, on to our top coat. Hooray! It's not ugly anymore. The light blue and tan interior is just what this ugly cabinet needed to give it a much needed facelift. I love the highlights on the doors, and I'm so glad I did that. It's now something that I would put in my home, so winner winner chicken dinner. I paid $7.50 for this little guy, and to start with, it was so ugly. I personally didn't really spend any money on the materials because I just used leftover paints that I had. I would estimate, just for the sake of giving number, that I put about $10 of materials into it. So with my $7.50 purchase price and my $10 of material, I am at $17.50, so under $20 for this cute little makeover. I kept the original hardware. I don't even know if it's original, but I kept the hardware it came with, didn't spend anything there. I thought they were cute and went fine with my vibe. I like the highlights that I did. I really just like everything about it now. So I'm ready to stage it and get some pictures taken, list it on Marketplace, and hopefully get it sold. One more thing that maybe you can help me with. I always think that I'm an artistic person until I start staging, and then I realize I just don't even know what I'm doing. I feel like home decor is just, I don't know. So don't feel bad. Hit me up hard in the comments. I need help. Tell me what you like to do, or even recommend somebody else that I can stalk their channel, stalk their blog, look at it all. I want to learn to do this better so much, because right now my go-to is to just grab stuff and start shoving it in places until I'm not mad. So yeah, I need help. Help me, please. Let's get back to what we were doing. Alright, so that's all I've got for you for today. Make sure you're subscribed down below so you can see our next episode. We post on Wednesdays and Saturdays with a brand new flip for you. And also, you can find us on Instagram at our furniture flipping adventure, and we'd love to see you over there too. If you liked our flip today, leave me a comment and let me know. And if you didn't like it, tell me how I can improve. I'd appreciate that too. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time on our furniture flipping adventure. I'm Sarah and I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, so I'll see you next time. Bye.